Look at that, Roxy. Look at this. Look at this. He put his head in the pillow. Yes. Hi, baby. I miss you, my love. I miss you, my love. I miss you. Ay, look, he's playing with this. I miss you, my love. I love you. I miss you so much. I miss you, Hubby boy. You my Hubby. Yeah. It's not a good sitting. Hi, Han. Oh, my baby's home, look.
Oh no, I rushed you. And then I heard that gate and I figured maybe she got locked in the living room.
No. Give me your bag. Oh my god, this is heavy. I changed the setting on this camera. Now it's not good. I will change it again. Bag, give me a kiss. I love you.
Love you too.
Tommy is very busy making his sandwich. I don't even make him something. You always make a good sandwich, Han. Always. What do you want to drink? I'll get you a drink. Water. Water. Tasteless water and ice, right? Of course, guys. I'm going to change the settings of this camera because I don't like it. What? What? What do you want? Do you want something? Do you want something? You went out already. You did. You did. How Misty? You went out already, Misty. Hi guys, good morning. The settings.
Here's a picture for you.
What?
Take a picture of that leaf.
What is the leaf?
With the morning raindrops on it, the dew on it. That's a cool picture.
My husband want me to take a picture of something. Let's see. Hold on, guys.
With this keys,
Yeah, what's the name of this one? What's the name?
that's what.
What's her name? And what's her name?
This is Lissy.
Okay.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
Yeah, this got all wet.
Is it get wet?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This got all wet.
Can you just say, oh my gosh?
Yeah.
Say it. Can you just say, oh my gosh?
Oh my gosh.
Say it again.
Oh my gosh. Why is it all wet?
Okay, let's go inside. Anyway, guys, what is that talking here? I hear talking.
And the battery's
Oh, it's dead. So where is the charger?
it's a
I don't know. We have to wait for Grandma. Okay.
yes. Why is it?
Her grandma is my sister-in-law,
Why is it?
and my mother-in-law is her great-grandma. Where is great-grandma?
He's in front way and going to the doctor's.
Ah, she's in the doctor's. And where is grandma now? To pick up great-grandma.
Where's our grandma go?
Oh, she's coming home. She just picked up your great-grandma.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you planning? We have to wait for your grandma to find a charger.
Look, okay. Got all dry. She got all dry.
Yeah. He is a dog lover and a cat lover, Gavin. This kid. And only the cat, cat Dimples. Dimples doesn't like. I don't know. He called Dimples. Oh, she's sleeping, yeah. And he called Dimples a bad cat. And the other one he called Hubs a bug.
He's too mean.
She's so mean?
Yeah.
No, she's not mean. She just don't like to be bothered. And she
No.
hisses at her. She hisses at him.
Mom says
She gets scratch, very little. But also the dog,
Said she's mean.
she's mean.
Yeah.
How about Roxy?
No, she's mean with this.
Oh, she give you a bad look.
Yeah.
Dimples, the cat. How about Roxy?
Momsy doesn't get boo-boos on me.
She doesn't give you boo-boos.
No.
Is she a loving dog?
Yeah.
The Roxy, you know what, guys? Roxy is very is big and very clumsy, but she really is very patient to this kid.
Yeah.
The kid is always like on the floor, crawling, act like a dog.
Yeah.
But Roxy is just like
Like
play.
me, I call like a dog.
Look, Roxy just and Roxy just stay there, but Misty also growl at him, and he give it like bite, not bite, but open her mouth, and push his face to tell him first warning, go away. Look, Roxy is fine. Roxy is very patient. She really knows it's a kid, guys. She knows that it's a baby. Look, Roxy in here too. Look, she's jealous. You're such a jealous little puppy. Yes, you are. Give Mama a kiss. You're such a she's jealous. Okay. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. Misty, be a good girl. Come here. Come here. Yes, I know. She always hide under my feet. This too, because this kid is just like playful. Too much energy. Yes.
He's a good one.
He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh, Gavin, no! Don't be in that thing, because it's a glass. That one, it will break, because that box over here, it's glasses. It will break and you get boo-boo.
No. This Kit Kat is the one, the happy one.
Yeah, that's the one, the happy one. Oh my goodness, he is really talkative, guys. That's the happy one. She's a good cat, right? He is a good cat.
Yeah, she's a kitten.
Yeah, he's a good kitten.
She is so cute. Oh, do you want to pet her?
Yeah, you can pet him.
And you want to pet her?
Yeah, it's not a her, it's a he.
She's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, she got a tail over here. She's okay.
Yeah, she's okay.
What are these clothes?
No, this is my clothes to send to the Philippines, to send to my sister. To my sister. I have a sister in the Philippines, and my father, that's jeans from my Uncle Tommy.
She still likes me.
He likes you.
She likes me what?
Yeah.
We're gonna take Funa's daughter, and we have a cake at home.
And you have a kitty cat home too?
Yeah.
Oh.
We have Papa, Mama, and Daddy home.
Mm. Look, she want to talk to you too. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Oh, Mousy, look at that, Roxy. Your mouth is very strong. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Where is it? That kind of scotch. Just to. Yeah. Seriously. Oh, this is nice.
Double black doesn't come in that size. That only makes a little double black.
Oh, they have the big one. Oh.
Screw that one.
You know what I noticed, guys? When you're holding camera, and then when people see you holding cameras, they kind of look at you so weird. I don't understand. They look at you like they're like.
Lots of people don't want to be on a film. And
No, even you're filming from other section, and then you're holding the camera. It's off. They keep just checking on you.
pretty good.
There's this one. It's a like good cheese.
Yeah, I don't do that.
You have chicken breast. Is that the whole chicken breast? Look what Tommy making is like a bunch of, what do you call that, sandwich. He made a lot of sandwich and he has some few bags already there to bring to work. And this table is very easy. Look what kind of sandwich he's doing. What is that you're cutting?
Roasted peppers.
Roasted peppers. So he's busy doing that, guys.
Okay, we're done with this.
So how many sandwich you're going to bring to work? 3 pieces, right?
Yeah.
For lunch and extra for dinner. Yes, son. Wow, that's a big sandwich. I'll show you guys. That's a big sandwich. And he always make a good one.
This piece ripped off. I cut it off.
Always make a good sandwich.
Here. Hey,
Hmm?
I think that Kit Kat.
Yeah.
That's one right there.
Yeah.
That's a bug. Where's the develop? Where?
It was on a chair.
Oh, it's in the chair.
It was
What are you doing, hon? Another sandwich?
Giving them turkey. Okay, let's go. Oh, I see those claws going. Claws going. Claws going. Develop.
Kit Kat.
Hi, Cora Jackman. Shout out to Cora Jackman. Hi, Cora. Enjoy your time in Vegas with your son. I know you're visiting. You said you're visiting in Las Vegas to your son. So enjoy your vacation. Thank you for watching. Bye.